Good morning. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. It's Saturday morning. This is week 5 of our cycle, and we're at the end of the second week of hypertrophy phase. Yesterday we ended that weight workout. We've got a active rest day today. Today we'll be doing a ab burner routine, which we've been doing for a couple weeks now, and we'll be doing half ab is what I've been calling it, because it's 15, originally it's 15 1-minute ab and core exercises. And it takes 15 minutes, of course, because they're each 15 minutes long. There's no break in between, just move from one to the next. And so I'm trying to get back into it, because I got to where I could do it at a minute, and then I kind of let down on it and then didn't do it for 2 or 3 months. So now I'm getting back into it. So what I did was I reduced it down to 30-second exercises, so it's 7.5 minutes instead, so that I could manage getting back into it. So here we go. My Tyson should be out around 4. We're gonna head out on a walk, and we'll come back and hit the ab burner, or half ab is what I've been calling it, and then we'll get Saturday on the road. So here we go. Let's do this. All right, made it back from the walk. Time to hit the old ab burner. I think Tyson is gonna sleep in this morning. It's 4:15, so I'm gonna get on with it. It's only 7.5 minutes. It wouldn't be worth for him to get up anyway. So we are gonna hit it and get it done. So here we go. Let's do this ab burner and get her done. Let's do it. All right, folks, got that done. Saturday's in the books, and week 5 is in the books. All I got left is a rest day tomorrow, and then we'll hit week 6 starting Monday with an upper body workout. So week 3 of the hypertrophy phase, and we'll get her done. So we're out here doing longevity training and meeting age with grace, and trying to make it where we can do stuff when we get older. So here we are. We are done with like I say, done with week 5. And we are on to our Saturday. So anyway, we're gonna let y'all go. You guys have a great weekend. Enjoy something this weekend, do something, get up and walk or something. Do something and enjoy yourself. So here we go. I'm gonna let you go. Folks, meet age with grace. We'll talk to you later. Take care, be careful.